Korinsky, your party is coming. Yeah, you gonna have a party this Saturday. Go Korinsky. Go Korinsky.
I'll try to let you.
Yes.
Sometimes I just try to let you go. Okay, then you are gonna just keep going on.
You
gonna get to the bridge.
Anyway.
What's going on, guys? This is Thunder.
And that's Falcon.
So,
hey.
The next party is Korinsky.
Korinsky?
Was it Nolan?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nolan.
Yes. Her
I'm not going in there and get that damn invitation.
Yeah.
I got my golden ticket. Y'all got to pay $10.
Yeah.
Keep on talking about it.
But, November 16th. This is the party we that's the next one. That's the last one.
Yeah, this is the last one of you.
No. But anyway, this is all about Korinsky's party.
Yes.
This party's gonna be over. He has so much going on. He's gonna have the place laid decked out. He's opening his home to people.
3 DJs.
Oh,
he said 3 DJs. That's what he texted me. Now this is what he is texting me. He has 3 DJs in 3 different rooms. He has strippers. He has Tasty Treasure models. He has a
hookah room.
He has a hookah room. He has a buffet room.
I don't know, but I don't think I'm gonna do that hookah thing.
No, I'm not gonna do hookah, girl. I don't do no hookah. I don't do no aftermath unless it's so. But anyway, and he has a dance floor, I believe. He has many different things. His garage is
going to be having a dance floor and everything. So.
And he has a really nice house, guys. So
beautiful home.
He's
coming out. He got like 6 rooms, don't he?
Yeah, I think it's like 6 or 12 or something. Yeah, you're going to have to look up his address so we can give the address. Come on, look it up right quick while I talk about it. Anyway, we will be in the party, so I hope you guys come and say hey to us. I am TK. This is Falcon. Make sure you say hey, Oprah and Gail. We will be in the house. It's only $10 to get in. I think there's a cash bar. Is it a cash bar?
Yes, cash bar.
It is a cash bar. It's not an all-you-can-drink. It's a cash bar. So bring cash if you want something from the bar.
This is his birthday.
But, no, that's the dinner. Okay, anyway. So make sure you guys go to your, email and if you have, a copy of, because he made the flyer. So whenever you see the flyers or whatnot, that's Falcon Productions, baby. He has his own line of stuff. TK has his own. Falcon got his own. But together we make that thing.
Here we go. Okay. I got it. Okay. So the address is going to be Saturday. Yeah, you will talk. Saturday, November 16th, okay, 2013. It is going to be 1009 Blue Mountain Lane in Antioch, Tennessee, 37013. It starts at 10 p.m. Features 2 adult entertainments from ATL, 1 local entertainer, cocktail serve, showcasing Tasty Treasures, and they say. And
I'm gonna be on one of their microphones, honey. So y'all might as well get ready.
It's a free hookah lounge, cash bar on deck. On his deck, or is it actually on deck? Bar. You mean like
cash bar on deck? What does that mean?
Maybe on his deck.
Oh, maybe it's the cash bar on the deck.
Because he does have a deck. He has. I don't know. It's gonna be crowded though. I think.
That's all
anyway,
right.
We're gonna drink.
Yeah.
This event is free for all.
So
guess who's been invited? Whoever got the ticket, invited. The people that get. I don't know.
I'm going to read it. Here we go. Let me read it. It is going to be Saturday, November the 16th, 2013. It's at 1009 Blue Mountain Lane, Antioch, Tennessee, 37013 at 10 o'clock. Now, he said, what, girl?
I'm just saying.
It was about the guest list is set, so that means we already on the guest list. And if you didn't get no golden ticket, then your name will not be on the guest list. However, please contact me if you plan to bring anyone else. I guess that's for the guest list only.
Yeah, I hope people don't get confused about the free for all invited guests because he sent a text message out.
Yeah.
So I don't. So yeah, some people they might feel that's their invitation.
I don't know, girl, but I know. Let me just go on and say this: if you don't know if you free or not, text him. Or bring $10.
Make sure you got $10. Well, you would bring money anyway because there's gonna be strippers there. There's gonna be a cash bar,
right? And
Tasty Treasures there.
Yeah. So bring some money, y'all.
Bring some money, guys, and support these guys out here. That actually, the strippers, entertainers. That's actually a talent.
Yeah.
You gotta be kind of. Some of these girls got bodies but don't want to go there. I'm not going out there.
I'm not.
But some actually go out there and do some of the things they do. I've seen some strippers that got to do some things.
Yeah.
So and Tasty Treasures models. They're gonna be walking around. They're gonna be giving out shots. I'm sure you can tip on that. And Tasty Treasures definitely are going to have some sexy underwear you guys might
Yeah.
Want to try it on? If you
Purchase
look online, and actually he has an app too on his iPhone that you can go and get and download and look and see what he has for sale. Maybe he can bring it. Hit him up and say, hey, can you bring it to the party? And you'll buy it there. And the hookah bar the bar. So you need money for bars. Have your drink.
Bring money. That's what the fuck he really.
I'm just saying. There's really.
That's what they're really trying to say.
There's gonna be a photographer there too.
Is he?
Yeah.
Won't be me or us.
No,
it won't
I'm
be
not.
us.
We partying.
Yes.
I'm coming comfortable.
Oprah and Gail will be.
I'm coming comfortable. So I don't know.
I don't know if I'm what I'm wearing right now.
I got my outfit. I tried it on yesterday. Yes.
I think I'm gonna wear that shirt that you bought me. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I think it'll be hot.
Yeah, it's hot. He always buys me stuff, so I love him for that.
I buy him stuff with color. Okay, I love.
Okay, so this bitch is finna come on. No, this is Karinsky's. This is Karinsky's. Karinsky to your party, girl.
You just stopped me, huh?
Yes, I did, girl. Right to Karinsky, your party, girl. I cannot wait. I hope it's the shindig of the year.
Yes, because Ty's in the lead right now.
That was shade, bitch.